Okay, we take more and make something different, because we not only want some hearts, we cut the beginnings and the endings like every time and cut off so it will stay like this. See the beginning and the ending, and it really stay well. Now I cut a little bit away from the middle in this way, and on the other side too. So you see two slices. So and then I cut in this like this, and till it goes out. So okay, now it's going away, and I make it on the other side too. So yeah, it will take some time, but it's okay. So okay, now we have these two little things. Now we're taking them and just cutting it like we already cut them, so on the top, and like this. And you have to be really careful not to cut it out. Oops. I cut it. It isn't finished. Cut a little bit more. Yes, now it works. So we have, we can put out it like this, and we have our finished one. So, and now we just taking this one and cut a little bit of it, just a little bit, like this. You see, it's really small. Oops. Yes. And we're doing this on the other side too. Now we're putting it back. We start with the big one, but don't put it in like it was. Put it a little bit more like this, you see? And then put this one, and yeah, put this one, but you can leave it away. I don't think it looks good. So, and on the other side, do it the same. Just put it, oh no, yes, so, and the smaller one. Okay, now we're nearly finished. We take this one we cut away earlier, and just cut it like this. Yes, I will show you how it should look like then. So it should look like this, you see? Yes. Cut the beginning so it gets good. And now we're nearly finished. All we have to do is now in the middle cut a hole for the head. Yes, just try to put it in. It's too small. Make it a little bit bigger. Oops. Yes, and put it in. It's too big. I just cut it a little bit smaller. So yeah, and now put it in, and your swan is finished. You see? Really cute, isn't it? Okay, now we're putting everything together. First you need some box. You don't have to take a bento box. Mine is just a normal Tupperware box. And now you take your salad and make little pieces as small as you like it. Okay, then take some mice and put it on top of it as much as you like. Enough. And then just take the slices we cut out and put it on. So, okay, looks really good right now, right? So you don't have to make this one. It also look good without it, but yeah, I made it, and so you have to put it a little bit and put it in the middle. Just, yeah. And that's it, our little swan. But now the salad wouldn't taste very well, so I take a little box and put in some vinegar and some oil and some salt. Okay, now just close it, and this one I just close it. And now we're taking our sandwich. For this I'd use a shrimp box and just put them inside. And yes, so you have your sandwich and your salad inside. Just take it with you and you're finished. Hope you like it.